Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ahmad Abdur Rahman and these are my two friends, Marfi Ryan and Akib Zaman Mondor. Today we have enjoyed so much. We did swimming and we go in the bridge across. Then we played slide and we had a lot of fun.
Start.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Akif Jaman Mondul, but please call me Akif because that's my nickname. And here you can see my two friends. This is Marfi Raihan, and this one is Ahmad Abdur Rahman. Okay. And today we're going to show you some this park. Okay, we're going to show you this amazing park with bridges and all of the equipment. Okay.
Start.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to this amazing park. So my name is Marfi Ryan Wafi and this is Akif Zaman Mondol, my best friend, and this is Ahmad Abdul Rahman. So these two friends and me. So my name is Marfi and we play so many things here like swing, slide, and we played in the bridge. Start.
Let's get started. This is my friend, okay, Ahmad. Just give an intro. Hey, Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Here you can see this is my friend. Hey, now we're going to show you our amazing jumping equipment, okay? So let's get started. Here.
Okay, come, Akif, come. Let's go up.
We'll go up on the bridge, okay? This is the amazing bridge. Hey, Marfi, come here.
Okay, come.
Now we're here.
We're gonna show you a very amazing thing. Okay.
Let's say about this. Marfi, তুমি তো জানো যে এটা কিভাবে work করে বুঝছো?
Yes. Say.
তুমি বলো যে এটা function.
Yes.
So this is the Japanic system
না
and
মানে স্টার্ট বল
Wait, start. Start.
this is the Japanic system that were in the Saudi Arabia. So if everyone move, just see the light is off, and if
Look at this.
this, then the lights will on. So this is the perfection of this.
like this. If you press it, then the light will on. Okay.
Okay, we have got a very interesting view of the nature. All right, as you see, many buildings are there, and also many free spaces are there also. Okay, we really enjoyed the view of this park. Akif is playing, and also his friends